fields at evening's close. She met me where the wild things grow. Whispered low with thorn in hand, I gave you one red rose to stand. But I let go, I looked away. She turned to mist, slid to gray. She said one ship had sailed too soon, one star fell hard beneath the moon. One door closed, you turned the key. One chance lost, now none for me. I reached to speak, but she was gone. The wind just hummed a lonesome song.
November has always seemed to me one of the most difficult months of the year. It arrives quietly, with little festivities and even less sunlight. It seems to linger longer than it should. There's no more colorful leaves to cheer you up, and the magic of Christmas is not yet here. However, in recent years, I actually have begun to learn how to appreciate it, not despite its gloominess, partially because of it. Dark days filled with blankets, hot tea, and knitting. I need that season to slow down. I'm actually from Siberia, and I cannot help comparing Europe November with the winters of my homeland. Where I grew up, weather is harsh. Here in Europe, November feels softer, easier, but also sadder. Instead of bright snow, there's rain. Instead of sharp, cold, damp grayness. Sometimes I miss the intensity of Siberian winter. But it's precisely this contrast that has taught me to look more carefully at the world around me. Nature, whether harsh or mild, is deeply tied to who we become. The way we handle discomfort, the way we search for beauty, and the way we imagine warmth. Another really important thing during this cold, grey month is try your best to romanticize your life. There's so many wonderful warm activities. Example, baking. espresso and orange juice. Actually, it's quite a summer drink, but that's exactly what I wanted today in this very rainy day. I don't know if you can hear, but I can hear the rain hitting the roof. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to slow down sometimes and just look around. Maybe you have a dream life already.